You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say more interesting but confusing words and vocabulary that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning. Scrumdiddlyumptious. Yes, I know. Scrumdiddlyumptious. Easy once you know, right? Stress on the fourth syllable. Scrumdiddlyumptious. Scrumdiddlyumptious. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Like it at least, it helps me a lot. Thanks for your support. More videos for you here on how to pronounce more interesting words that many mispronounce. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounce. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.